Have you ever been at work, your boss explains something, you hear the words but don't really understand, and you just go, okay, hoping it will make sense later?
Yes, that is very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Because later, I still don't understand anything.
Exactly, and then you feel stressed.
Yeah, because I don't want to look stupid.
Right, you don't want to say, I don't understand.
So I just say, okay.
And that creates a bigger problem.
Yes, much bigger.
Today, we fix that.
Please, I need this at work.
Let's start simple.
Okay, simple first.
When you don't understand, say, sorry, I don't understand.
That feels a bit scary.
It's okay. Say it.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Again.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Another one. Can you explain that again?
That sounds better.
Yes, softer. Say it.
Can you explain that again?
Again.
Can you explain that again?
One more. Can you show me?
Oh, I like that.
Very useful at work.
Can you show me?
Again.
Can you show me?
Good.
I feel a bit more confident.
Good. That's level 1. All right, now let's move to level 2.
Okay, a bit more natural.
Yes, more like real work situations.
I need that.
Imagine this. You are at work.
Yes,
Your manager is explaining something.
and speaking fast.
Very fast.
That always happens.
You understand some parts, but not everything.
Maybe 60%.
That's very common. Now, instead of saying, I don't understand, you can say, sorry, I didn't catch that part.
That sounds softer.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I didn't catch that part.
Again.
Sorry, I didn't catch that part.
Good. Another useful one. Could you go over that again?
That sounds professional.
Yes, say it.
Could you go over that again?
Again.
Could you go over that again?
Now let's add more detail.
Okay.
You can say, sorry, I didn't catch the last step. Could you explain it again?
Oh, that's very clear.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I didn't catch the last step. Could you explain it again?
Again.
Sorry, I didn't catch the last step. Could you explain it again?
Good.
What if there are many steps?
Good question.
Sometimes I get lost in the middle.
That happens a lot. Then say, sorry, I'm a bit lost. Can you walk me through it again?
That sounds very natural.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I'm a bit lost. Can you walk me through it again?
Again.
Sorry, I'm a bit lost. Can you walk me through it again?
Good.
I like this one
Why?
because it sounds honest.
Exactly. Be honest. Now, another situation.
Okay.
Your manager explains something quickly.
Yes.
You understand the idea, but not the details.
That's me.
Then you can say, I think I understand the main idea, but could you explain the details again?
Oh, wow, that's really good.
Yes, say it.
I think I understand the main idea, but could you explain the details again?
Again.
I think I understand the main idea, but could you explain the details again?
Perfect.
I feel more comfortable now.
Because now you have more options.
Yes, not just I don't understand.
Remember, don't pretend.
I still do that sometimes.
Try to stop.
I will.
Let's practice quickly. I didn't catch that part.
I didn't catch that part.
Could you go over that again?
Could you go over that again?
I'm a bit lost.
I'm a bit lost.
Good. In the next part, we make it more real.
More problems?
Yes, real mistakes.
I'm ready.
All right, now let's make this more real.
That means I'm going to make mistakes, right?
Yes, real mistakes.
I already feel nervous.
That's okay. This is how you improve. Imagine this. You are at work.
Okay.
Your manager gives you instructions.
Yes.
You think you understand.
That's the dangerous part.
Exactly. You go back to your desk.
Yes.
You start working.
And then something feels wrong.
Yes, something is not clear.
I realize I misunderstood.
That happens a lot. So, what do?
I feel embarrassed.
That's normal.
Sometimes I just keep working.
And make it worse.
Yes.
Instead, go back and say, sorry, I think I misunderstood the task.
That sounds honest.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I think I misunderstood the task.
Again.
Sorry, I think I misunderstood the task.
Good. Then you can add, could you explain it one more time?
Simple and clear.
Yes, say it.
Could you explain it one more time?
Again.
Could you explain it one more time?
Good.
But what if I already started the work?
Good question.
Sometimes I feel worse in that situation.
Yes, because you already made progress, but maybe wrong progress.
Yes.
Instead, go back and say, sorry, I started working on it, but I think I misunderstood something.
That sounds very real.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I started working on it, but I think I misunderstood something.
Again.
Sorry, I started working on it, but I think I misunderstood something.
Good. Then ask clearly, can I confirm what you want me to do?
Oh, that's very useful.
Yes, say it.
Can I confirm what you want me to do?
Now you are fixing the problem.
Instead of hiding it.
Exactly.
Sometimes I misunderstand one small detail.
That's very common. Then you can say, sorry, I'm not sure about this part. Could you clarify it?
That sounds professional.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, I'm not sure about this part. Could you clarify it?
Again.
Sorry, I'm not sure about this part. Could you clarify it?
Good.
I noticed something.
What?
It's okay to go back and ask again.
Yes.
It's better than doing it wrong.
Exactly. Don't wait too long.
I usually wait too long.
Try to ask earlier.
I will.
Not okay. Say something real.
Right.
Let's practice. A full situation.
Okay.
You get instructions.
I think I understand.
Then later,
I realize I don't understand.
so you say,
Sorry, I think I misunderstood the task.
good.
Can I confirm what you want me to do?
Perfect. See, you can fix it.
Yeah, step by step.
In the next part, we move to level 3.
More confident?
Yes, more natural, more smooth.
I'm ready.
All right, now we move to level 3.
The real workplace level.
Yes, this is how people actually speak at work.
Not perfect, but natural.
Exactly. Same situation. You are at work.
Yes.
Your manager is explaining something.
Fast instructions.
Very fast. You understand some parts, but not everything.
Maybe 60%.
That's very common. Now, instead of saying, I don't understand, you can keep the conversation going.
How?
You can say, hey, just to make sure I'm on the same page.
Oh, that sounds very professional.
Yes, say it.
Hey, just to make sure I'm on the same page.
Again.
Hey, just to make sure I'm on the same page.
Then you continue, you'd like me to finish this by today, right?
That's very clear.
Yes, you are confirming.
You'd like me to finish this by today, right?
Good. Now you are not just listening.
I am checking.
Exactly.
What if I feel unsure in the middle?
Then you slow things down. You can say, sorry, could we go through that step one more time?
That sounds very natural.
Yes, say it.
Sorry, could we go through that one more time?
Again.
Sorry, could we go through that one more time?
Good. Now another situation.
Okay.
You already started the work.
Yes.
But something doesn't feel right.
I know that feeling.
Instead of waiting, you say, hey, I just want to double check something quickly.
That sounds very smooth.
Yes, say it.
Hey, I just want to double check something quickly.
Again.
Hey, I just want to double check something quickly.
Then explain, I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
Very honest.
Yes, say it.
I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
Again.
I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
Good.
This feels very different.
How?
I feel more in control.
That's level 3. Now let's make it smoother.
Okay.
Combine everything. Hey, I just want to double check. I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
That sounds very real.
Yes, say it.
Hey, I just want to double check something. I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
Again.
Hey, I just want to double check something. I might have misunderstood part of the instructions.
Perfect. One more.
Okay.
You want to sound polite and confident. Say, could you walk me through that one more time?
I like that.
Yes, say it.
Could you walk me through that one more time?
Again.
Could you walk me through that one more time?
Good.
I noticed something.
What?
I don't feel scared to ask anymore.
That's the goal. Remember, stay calm.
Stay calm.
Ask clearly.
Ask clearly.
Keep the conversation moving.
Keep it moving.
In the next part, we review everything.
All levels together?
Yes, fast and practical.
Let's do it.
All right, final part. Let's bring everything together.
Let's do it.
3 levels: simple, natural, confident.
Step by step.
Repeat after me. Sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Again.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
Again.
Can you explain that again?
Can you show me?
Can you show me?
Good.
Very simple.
Use this when you feel nervous. Now level 2. Repeat after